Paper 2D is Unreal Engine's sprite-based system for creating 2D and 2D 3D hybrid games within the editor. It exists as an official plugin which is active by default and enables you to create sprites, flipbooks, tile sets, and tile maps within Unreal Engine. Paper 2D became available with Unreal Engine 4.3 as an experimental feature and saw the first stable version in October 2014 with UE 4.5. Sadly, development on Paper 2D didn't last too long and stagnated around UE 4.9, with the engineers being pulled off the project to work on other tools or games. And since then, it's been left in a pretty bare-bones state. Looking at the public task sheet, we can see that things such as render thread level pixel snapping, 2D shadow casting, and skeletal sprites were on the wishlist and had a real chance of appearing in Unreal. Box 2D, which is the open source 2D physics engine that Unity also uses, was actually working in an experimental state but was removed in UE 4.18 according to Michael Noland, the former team lead on Paper 2D. Despite all of these problems, Paper 2D still offers a solid set of features that is more than sufficient for making 2D games, and titles such as Ender Lilies, Ender Magnolia, and The Artful Escape are proof of that. While Octopath Traveler and all other HD 2D games by Square Enix use Paper 2D for 2D 3D hybrids. In order to improve the usability of Paper 2D, a developer who goes by Heavy Bullets took matters into his own hands and developed a free plugin called Paper ZD. This adds support for state machines, anim notifies, and many other quality of life features. This opened up Paper 2D for many more developers, leading to more and more 2D and 2D 3D hybrid games made in Unreal. And while 2D in Unreal was still a taboo topic to talk about a few years ago, during the myth-busting best practices in Unreal Engine presentation by Ari Arnbjornsen, pretty much everybody in the room was aware of Paper 2D.
For prosperity. How many say this is bust? You can definitely make 2D games in Unreal. Okay, no one's going to be called the coward this time.
For more Unreal facts like this, click here to check the complete Unreal Engine Iceberg video. What the?